your side. Did you hear what I last said? Sorry. Yeah. So just to take a step back, with regard to obviously sending you the funds, you do understand that your funds are never the profits. Obviously, well, the way how we make money to bring it to full circle is on commissions. So I'll happily trade you every single day if I was a unscrupulous character, because I make money on the spread of every single trade. However, when it comes to obviously settlements, you did execute, which is great, but it's all about clearance. So there's a difference between when you send money and when it's been received and cleared. Now, because that liability account, the escrow with Bonds and Co Commercial Brokerages, LLC, might I add, one of the best clearing agents there, because they hit that insurable limit, which is almost $500 million, they couldn't accept your funds. So it was sent back to you, minus the charges or exchange rates. Are you with me so far? So that in itself is the reason why it's caused a delay, or it's been stopped from us executing the Netflix back. So that's what's holding this all up, basically. And the reason why it's holding it all up is because our Treasury Department and Compliance Department have to follow every single rule. If we didn't, then you could lose your money, because, that's just the marketplace. So with regards to that premium, we pay a hell of a lot of capital for the special purchase vehicles, for these escrow accounts, so we can protect your funds. Don't you see that by now? I mean, your funds are protected. Otherwise, the money wouldn't actually come back to you if we wasn't who we say we were. So it's not an issue. What we need to do is move quickly so we can stop wasting time, because that's the only one thing we haven't got is time to mess about. Are you with me? So you look at it trade by trade, but we have to protect our business interests. You're using our corporate funds. If you want to look at it in layman's terms, it's essentially a loan. So we're loaning you the funds. So if you've got a delinquency on one of your accounts, it's nothing. It's small. In this $1 trillion marketplace, the money we're talking about isn't even worth. Well, it's not. So I wouldn't say it's not worth a lot. It's worth whatever you deem your capital to be. But what my plan is to get you to the accredited investor status. So, depending on this asset and security, we can free ride, which is basically you saying, yep, okay, I'll take a bet, which is a trade. If it works, great. I don't need to send the capital, but I can still take the profit. And that's when that's when we get your account. Question marks about obviously who we are, because let's face it, even though we get along, we are just a voice at the end of the phone. And I get where you're coming from, but my professional relationship and my personal relationships are coincided in one with regards to how I operate. So even if I like you, I wish I could bend the rules, but I can't just say execute the Netflix sale, because we already agreed in that ether at the same time, and everything's distant selling because all calls are recorded. When you say yes, it's done. So we use our corporate funds straight away on the goodwill that you are actually going to fulfill your obligation. If you don't, and it happens a lot, then we lose money. So at the moment, we've got this outstanding trade, even though for yourself you did execute, and thank you, there was never clearance because of the liability limit. But it's better to have that liability limit in place rather than not, because at least your money's protected. I'm taking responsibility, but it's really the American markets, and this is the reason why they're the best in the world, because they're the most safest. You can't lose money, and that's proven now because you've had your money sent back to you because that account was already fully subscribed with its insurable limit. So that in itself is full circle, in my opinion, that we're handling your account with the assets, which is obviously the stocks or the shares, or in this situation the trust, that you're actually getting what you bloody pay for. So I want to get this Netflix profits and the capital back to you as soon as possible. And obviously the only way I can do that is for you to execute and finish this trade with Annaly. Because at the moment, I'll be honest with you, we're going to come towards month end, and I get nervous at this stage, because if I've got anything that's outstanding on the books before month end, i.e. not cleared, then it can go against my targets as well, and I get paid very good bonuses for having a certain amount of money settled. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. You've got the details of our address. Well, how soon can you get here? That's the question. Sure, I understand. It's not the first time it's happened, it's happened before. So yeah, I mean, you take your flights, okay? Do me a favour, read upon the law of free riding and the violations as well, and what they mean. And obviously, well, hopefully by then, we can obviously put this